Estoy haciendo mis adornos navideños con foamy liso y foamy escarchado. Para esto recorté 5 círculos blancos y 5 amarillos. Se doblan a la mitad y se van pegando uno al lado del otro, hasta tenerlos todos pegados y se unen ambos extremos. Apliqué una gotica de silicona caliente en la parte superior del amarillo y en la parte inferior del blanco. Utilicé hilo y lo enrollé en una tira de foamy escarchado. Lo ubiqué en la parte superior del adorno y en la parte inferior agregué la tira sin el hilo. Ya solo nos queda colgarlos del arbolito. Cuéntame si te gustó esta idea y qué otro adorno te gustaría que hiciéramos.
Wow. Let's make pop-up flower bouquet card. Start by folding a yellow sheet and cutting a triangle slot in the middle. Glue it inside a pink cover card. Now slide colorful paper flower with the stem so they can stand up when you open the card. Add a bouquet wrapper, little hearts and decoration, and there you have it. Beautiful handmade pop-up bouquet card. Perfect for gifting. It's very beautiful. Yay!
You can ask the flowers it for hours, telling all the bluebirds the bill and cuz cry little I'm so in love with you now. Just the time both of us open love must have day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is maybe at the car H or at the foamy in the middle or in the day cry little by so in love with you.
DIY paper flower garland. See how can I do? It's very fun and enjoyable. Take a rich strip of paper, fold into 5 equal sections, then cut the top into half heart shapes. Unfold to reveal connected flower petals. Now take a green straw as the stem. Place the red paper, follow along the straw. Fold the straw at the each flower point to hold them in place. Repeat this process bending and square until the flowers are attached. Finally fan out the petal to create a colorful paper flower garland ready to decorate beautifully.
How to make a crazy paper airplane? Yo, this is actually that's actually insane. What? Let's see. Okay, fold it in half. Oh. This actually makes total sense. Okay, this looks like a regular plane. I've folded a lot of planes like this, but this is actually insane. Okay. Okay.